A very important lesson that I learned from a Wall Street market wizard. This lesson will save you from blowing accounts and can possibly be worth millions of dollars to you. The simple tip is when price is below the 5-day moving average, you do not take long entries or big call positions if you're trading options. When price is below the 5-day moving average, it's a bearish structure. You do not take any heavy positions until the bulls could reclaim the 5-day moving average. That's a big lesson, and I hope you remember that because it's worth millions of dollars to you, myself, every other trader out there. 19 minutes into the trading day, Eric, which is our teacher, our mentor, has outlined a bearish scenario. He's identified the algorithms, the orange and the magenta algorithm, and he's drawn up the play, the setup to look out for an inverse cup to close at yellow 687 and then create structure to take puts for price to head down. I'm going to go to the chart. This is 19 minutes into the trading day. This is what it looked like so far, and he's already given us that setup. I'm going to move the chart over, and price right here has at 10 a.m. has breached the yellow 687 just as the plan. It's reclaimed it back up, and now it's building structure. Magenta algorithm is controlling the liquidity, as you can see. There's no reason to go long. Remember, we're below the 5-day moving average. Liquidity is being built, and price breaks down. For the rest of the day, price heads south, stuck in between the teal algorithms all morning long. No reason to go long. If you're calling for the reversal, you need to know when is the right time to go long or to take your calls. Otherwise, it was just a day of taking puts at resistance. If you want to take calls, you take calls at support. At 12:41, Eric posted this in the Discord community. No reversal till the pink algo is retested. At 12:41. This is a blown up of what this is going to look like. Here's the setup. 12:41 is right here. He's identified the pink algorithm. Here's the live chart. 12:41 is down here. Price is firmly between the teal algorithms, so you're not looking for longs until the pink algorithms could take control. I'm going to move the chart over, so now you're at 145, 130, 230. 2:30 p.m., you can now see that the pink algorithm, the bulls have gone into the pink algorithm and trying to take that liquidity. This is your opportunity to go long. Now you're on alert, looking for a good entry to go long. Right here at the purple 685, price breaches the pink, comes back and tests it as support, and it respects the support. There is a beautiful long entry to finish out the day and take it up. That was the only long opportunity with a high probability of success because you waited, you learned how to identify the algorithms, and you were patient to wait for the pink algorithms to show you that the bulls are taking over that liquidity. This is the edge that you have by using the algorithms and structure. We'll see what the rest of the week, Thursday and Friday, we plan to wrap up the week strong, and remember the lesson. When price is below the 5-day moving average, you do not take big positions of calls if you're trading options or longs if you're trading futures.